Hello all. We're just going to jump right into this video. This is part 2 of my Mod Podge Clear experiment that I ran. Per some of the comments I received, it was suggested that I go with a foam brush this time, so we're going to try that. Demonstration 1 is going to be on one of these with permanent vinyl on there, and then we're going to have another ceramic coaster with permanent vinyl. And these, I found these little jewelry trinket boxes at the Dollar Tree, and I just printed off a picture of myself with just plain copy paper and inkjet ink, and we're going to use that to affix my photo to that. Here's our foam brush we use, just a standard foam brush. So we're getting started. We're pouring the Mod Podge into a cup. Plain and simple. So we're going to get started with the coaster first, it looks like. And all I'm doing is I'm applying a layer of Mod Podge Clear on this coaster. I'm not pressing down on it. I'm using soft strokes. And overall, we're going to end up doing 2 layers on each medium. So this is just basically going over it, making sure the vinyl's covered with the glue. Now here's this. I forgot what this is called, but I'm just going to cover it, make sure I get the permanent vinyl heart covered. And I'm going to spread some of the glue on the glass as well, just to see if it's streaky. I don't proclaim to be an expert at this, so I'm just doing it from a beginner level as far as using this glue. So I'm not really sure how it's supposed to go on, or if I was supposed to pour it on or what, but we're just going to see together. Then we move on to the little jewelry box. Nothing fancy in this video. Just trying to see if the foam brush is going to make a difference. So I just covered a layer of the Mod Podge before I lay the photo down. And again, I didn't use photo paper for that. I just used basic copy paper. It probably would have been able to layer better on the box if I had used actual photo paper or laminated the photo or whatnot. But I just want to see again how, if it's going to be streaky or what. It laid pretty good on this box, so I'm not going to complain. Just put one layer here on the photo box. And you see me tapping it. Just wanted to make sure the Mod Podge went to the ends of the heart shape. And you see I put a good amount on that picture because I wanted to make sure it didn't lift up. Okay, this is 2 hours later. It is a better job than my first video. I'm trying to let you see the glare of the light so you can see about the streaks. Of course, I do acknowledge that I did a pretty bad job putting it on there. I think with some practice, it might be successful. It is a way better if you look at the first video. It is smoother. So we go to the coaster. It is smoother if you look at the vinyl parts. Of course, there are still streaks. I think another coat maybe going in the opposite direction might make it straighter. And then we go to the glass. Again, acknowledging I did a bad job putting it on there, but if you look at the vinyl part, it actually doesn't show streaks on the sealed on the vinyl part. Of course, there's streaks all throughout, but that's because I just gobbed it on. So it is an improvement with the foam brush, as people suggested. I do agree with that. I guess some glues aren't meant for everybody, and I'm assuming that this probably isn't the glue for me still. I admit that. I'm going to use it, but with more practice, I think I could perfect adding it to different items. And I'm going to try to put one more layer on here just to see. But overall, it raises, I think, my first video. I don't know if I gave it any stars. It probably was 0 out of 5 because of the streak. So now this, using the foam brush, has raised it to 2 out of 5 for me. 3. And maybe with more practice, I'll be able to learn how to do it better, because this is more of a user error than I'm going to blame the glue. Because I am impressed. It does look like it's worked to a certain extent, even for a novice beginner applying it like me. So maybe a 3 out of 5. So we'll see on future projects. We will use this again, because again, I have a whole bottle, so just about. So thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll try some other ideas out. And again, I appreciate you.